Guys, welcome to this tutorial. I think for those who have followed the series of the tutorials that are uploaded, we will say are aware of what we have done in the last tutorials. Then today we are going to be busy with something else apart from what we have done. So let me first close what I'm doing now. Okay, today ndashaka ko turebera hamwe stack using list. Then ndakeka muri tutorial yashize naraberetse how we can use stack using array. For those who are not aware of what we have done muri last tutorial, twabonye yuko stack is like a data structure that is only having one end. To input a number or an item muri stack yacu dukoresha only one way, as the way kugira ngo dupopinge from that stack. For those who need more information, they can even just see the introduction on stack tutorial nayo narayi-uploadinze, so I think you will be aware of that. So nta kintu cyinshi cyane ndi bugende nkora, I will only just show you what I will be doing. So let us first start. The first thing that we have to do is to include our libraries. Let me first save. Let me just make it stack using list tutorial. Stack using list tutorial. Then ikindi kintu ndi buze kudefininga, it is my max. So we will define my max size. Then I can say that my maximum size igomba kuzaba ari ijana. I will not, you can even just increase accordingly. So struct let me call it stack. My struct stack will be having nkuko tubizi when we use. So let me just make int okay, let me just call it int stack. This is an array izafata bya bintu the element nzashyiramo, so I'll just use this one. Then also I will be having my integer top, the int top. Then after that I will need a type differential structure. The structure, my structure is a stack. Then I will just call it stack. Then I can even just rename my stack kubera ko ari kirekire, then I will only use s. Ngira ngo murabizi, this is like making like there. So hari ibintu rero nzakoresha. Ikintu cya mbere turi buze kudefiningamo, it is like my push here, void push. The return type of this void, it will be void. They will know in the return type, let's see here. Then the other one, which is int pop, also it will be having void. Then I will be having also void display. My display also will be void. Then void my top igomba nayo kuzaritayininga the void. You can even just leave them all of these ones. So first of all, impamvu kirabanje kubikora kuri hano ko ngende gushaka kubanza kudealinga with my main. Let me first of all deal with my main, then turaza kureba what we'll be doing here in main. So from main I will need a choice. The choice, it will be my int choice and also the int option. Ibi ndaza kubereka ahantu turi buze kubikoreshereza. The option izajya iba 1. The option iraza kumfasha kugihe nzaba nshaka if the guy want to go back to just to display again the options cyangwa kubiriving. Then I can even just have this s.top yanjye izaba ingana na -1. Ndakeka mwese muzi impamvu yo gushyira top kuri -1. Then I will have printf. I will print to the user the operations ashobora gukora muri stack yanjye. I can call them stack operations. The operations nshaka ko azakora, so it will be while. I will use a while loop ikizamfasha mu gihe cyose azaba ari option, mu gihe cyose azaba yakanze 1, then izajya ikomeza looping. Then I will print if okay. I can even just, for the first time, let me just copy this one because I will be in need of it. Then let's continue. So hari choices nzajya nk'umu user. Okay, we go. The first thing nzabanza gukora, it is like 1. One is like to push. Then after this one, I will have my n and everything. Let me copy this one. Not like this. Copy, paste, delete all of this. Then to push, to pop azaba ari 2. Then gatatu azaba ari to display. Kane azaba ari to show top element. Then gatanu nkuko tubizi, it will be to exit. So this is the operations ndibuze performing from here. Then nkirangiza guha umu user what he or she will be doing. So I will also just be having something like this kugira ngo nzabone aho options zanjye zirangiriye. So we go here. I'll need also another printf. I will tell to the user, please select your choice, please. Then as usual reka manure ku wundi murongo. Then icyo nzahita nkora nta kindi uretse kwakira choice y'umu user with this %d, kubera yuko it will be a digital number umu user azashyiramo. So I will have to receive this choice. Then it will be %choice. Uvuga maze kwakira choice y'umu user, then I can switch it. Twabonye ko dushobora gukoresha if else cyangwa twakoresha switch option. I can switch my choice. Ushaka kureba uburyo bashobora gukoresha if else statement ashobora kureba muri tutorial yindi nakoze ya control force, nayo irahari. Uretse ko ikoze muri R programming, hari n'indi yo Python. So anyone can even just use or refer to that. All programming languages are the same, only the syntax changes, but the logics are the same. Cause the algorithms you are applying in Java, it is the same logic that you can do in all the languages, in C#, in .NET, n'izindi nyinshi cyane. So we go case. Then I will just start with my case. I will have case 1. Then case 1 yanjye I can say okay, it's gonna be push. then igihe cyose maze kugera kupushinga, then I will black. With black means it will give me this option. Then case 2 izabe, yeah, let me just make it to pop. Then I will black again. Then case 3, let it be display. Then I will black again. Sorry. Then case 4, let it be to display for me the top element. Then I will black again. Then case 5, let case 5 be to exit. Exit ushobora kwandika exit kuko irayumva, or I can say okay, return from there. So this is my switch. Then after this switch, I'd like even to tell to the user nimba ashaka gukomeza. Nimba ashaka gukomeza ni ukuvuga he or she have to select from the options tugomba kuba twamuhaye. Then I will flash to the user. Let me just use a flash, ariko yashwa ndakeka muri iriya library birimo. Okay, sorry, stdin. Then mpite mubwira printf if you want to continue, press 1, otherwise press 0. Uvuga na pressinga 0, then araba adashaka gukomeza. Na pressinga 1, then turaba turi ku gito, araba ashaka, yeah, na pressinga 1 araba ari gukomeza, na pressinga 0 araba ari gusohoka. Then %d option. Okay, if we have this option, nkuko mubizi option twari twayihaye 1, bishatse kuvuga yuko niyakanda enter gusa, so it will still be having that one, but it will still giving the same nk'ibyo n'ubundi twari turi kumusaha. So after this, I mean, murabona main yanjye ni iyi ngiyi, sinzi nimba hari umuntu ufite ikibazo, ubwo ndaza kubibona muri comment hasi. Anything that we may ask apart from this main, main, so you can ask. I will just see your comments here below. Then ubwo twatangiye, first of all let me just take like a function, push function. My push function, what will be my push? You know guys, iyo uri gupushinga, it is like inserting, uko twabikora mu buzima busanzwe, it is like insert. Then nkuko mubizi, a stack ufite nka etageri, hari aho bigera etageri gushyiramo ibitabo bikuzura. Bishatse kuvuga yuko each and every stack iba ifite maximum size, niyo mpamvu twavuze max size. Nimba rero dukeneye max size, then tugomba no kubazajya tubanza tukareba nimba cya kintu cyacu cya stack yacu ituzuye. So this one I'm going to start from, my stack is full. Then is full yanjye is full, nzabanza ndebe, I will only see if top, kuko twakoresha stack stop is equal Yep. Confirmed. If top is equal to max size minus 1, then I will return 1. Else return else I will return 0. Then I think this is is full. Then I can go to push. Ni ukuvuga nijya gupushinga hano noneho I will test only if is full. Nta mpamvu zo gukomeza nandika zino codes, ahubwo I will only just call the same function. Then I will just have my push void push. Ni ukuvuga byose bizajya bikorerwa muri main nk'uko mwabibonye. Niyo mpamvu hano mu mantuza yanjye nta mpamvu yo kwirirwa muri aya mafunction yanjye kugenda mvuga ngo please enter something, ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo. So I will have int num the number, then if is full, okay, because it is a method. If is full, then the printf the stack is full, please. Then from there I will return ndahita mpagararira aho ngaho. Also rero bishatse kuvuga yuko it is not full. Then from there I can have something else. Then I will tell to the guy printf enter an element in the stack. Enter an element in the stack. Then nayinjizamo nzahita mfata ya email scanf %d then I will need my num. Then nimara gufata num, icyumvikana nuko nkuko ngomba kubanza kugenda nongera top kugira ngo nzamenye ko nzagera kuri top element. Then from here I need something like incrementing top s.top plus all ni kimwe no kuvuga s.top is equal to s.top plus 1. Then also icyo namaze kurecevinga, so I have ni gutya nayisera cyangwa se ko nayise ndakeka ariko, so let me just see if it is okay. Okay, nibyo stack. Then s is a s.top, unuvuga index izajya igendana na top, bizajya bingana na num. It means I'm assigning the number to the array that I'm having, array of elements fit. So from there also I may return ndagarukira. Then from here we don't have anything else. Then ngiye kujya noneho kuri pop. Pop uko tubizi, pop is like deletion. Is it possible to delete where there is nothing to delete? No, it is not possible. Then nimba rero bidashoboka, ni ukuvuga ko tugomba kubanza tukareba noneho mbese nta kintu kirimo kugira ngo utaza kudeletinga ibintu nta birimo. Then naza no is empty. It is empty. Then if s dot top is greater than or equal is less than or equal ya minus 1. Ubwo nimba ingana na minus 1, nimba ingana na 0, nimba ingana nako na minus 1 na minus 2 na minus 3 na minus 4 na minus 100. So it means ya ntuza ya stack yacu empty, so we can't delete. So we shall return what? We shall return 1. And else we can return 0. So else we can continue. Then after this, can I have something like this? So nkuko tubizi yari statement imwe ushatse ubishyiraho cyangwa ntubishyiraho ko, ariko ngiye for me I usually do it, ntabwo njya nyisiga ari kuriya. Then I will have my int pop. How can I just make it okay? My int pop so I will need my int num if is empty, if is empty, then ushatse kuvuga ko it will not be possible. Then I will tell to the user print if the stack is empty. Then from there I will return, so I can even just return my thing, my s.top. Then this is my if, then else. Let's go back on empty. Then now my num is gonna s s dot stk. Then the inside ndaza gushyiramo my s.top. Then from there I will tell to the user, then I will print if the deleted number is percentage d then I will need to hold it s.stk s.top. Then icyo ngomba gukora ni uko s.top yanjye nkaho nakaye incrementinze, ngomba guhita nyi decrementing. So nkuko nababwiye, reka nkoresha ibintu bibiri bitandukanye. Then from here izaba ingana na s.top minus 1, ni kimwe n'ubundi. So let's continue from there, because my pop is an integer, so then I will need to return my num. I would like to see if pop here was okay. Wow, it is an integer. and then okay, pop ikaba irarangiye. Pop ndakeka nta kindi kintu ndibuze kuyishyiraho. So push na pop kuba birangiye rero, we gonna be kuri ntuza kuri display. So I will have my display, then kuri display yanjye, so I'm going to be having like a loop. By the loop ngomba kubanza kureba nimba kweri harimo ibintu, kuko ntabwo wakwirirwa ujya guhamagara function ngo ujye kujya mu makode kandi ugasanga ibintu nta kintu kirimo. So I can see if say if is empty cyangwa if s.top is equal to -1, then bishatse kuvuga yuko the stack play ndatabwira umuuser printf the stack is empty, please add some element. Please add some element. Then from there I will return from there. Nta kibazo mfite cya return kubera yuko I do have my stdin. Then else I will printf the elements from the stack al. The element from the stack al. Then I will need my for loop. Then my for loop. Then I will say for I is havingana na s dot top. Nkuko mubizi kuri display tugomba kuza displaying, ariko kuri stack tuzi ko ntabwo tudisplayinga duhereye ku mubare wa mbere, tudisplayinga nako duhereye ku mubare wa nyuma. Watu wa mbere n'uwa nyuma ni iki? Icyo wasizemo nyuma nicyo tugomba guheramo. Kwa Kinyarwanda kiranshanze. Then niyo mpamvu ahangaha tugomba kuzahera kuri for I izaba ingana na s.top, then I igomba kuba less than or equal to 0. Then I will not do that, but I will be minus. I will give minus kubera ko ndaza guhera ku cyashyizweho mu nyuma ngenda printing. Then I will need my printf then %d. How can I do it? Okay, like this. Then I will need s.stk. Then I will pass my I inside like this. So I can say okay, let me just print if another line mbere yuko bigera ku yindi level. So my display is ready for from there. So let me just copy the color bit. Then the last function that we're going to be writing is top, which is a void top. Then my top will be ziriya ni user category nyine. Uyabure bose n'aba staff, ahubwo umu staff afite user category. Nuvuga ni employee bafite faculty belonging, employee afite department abamo. Nibyo rero bivuze. wazibona ariko wabona list. Wayibona list kabisa. Okay, boy top, sorry nanibagiwe ko ntahagaritse we. Void top, then int I I will need my I. So if I will check if it's empty, I mean if s dot top is equal to -1, then bishatse kuvuga yuko ahangaha, so I will tell the user plaintiff, then I will tell him that please populate some elements in the stack it is empty. The stack, if it is empty, then I will return from there. Then I will return. Then else will not return. Then I will print to the user plaintiff the top element is okay. Let me leave a space, then %d, then I will read s dot top. Ndakeka ari ibyo ngibyo. So now I will just need plaintiff, then slash n. Okay, bigaragare ko all our needs, ibyo twashakaga gukora, so I finished by everything. So everything is now ready, so we can see whether our things is are learning. Then hano kuri switch nibagiwe. Then let us see. So now we are having all we have, so we're here to push. Okay guys, I think all of which we are doing in the check are really okay. So let me just do this. Also here, let me do this. Okay, let me just, okay. Wow, it is now okay. Stack operations. Now that's a then new line. Then press 1, enter an element in the stack 23. Do you want to, okay, 1 for default. This one I will need to display 3. The elements in the stack are, and then query display. Where is my body display? The stack is empty, please, for please. The stack is empty, please. Okay, byose reka njye nashyiraho new line. Okay, then from here also I will need this one. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for following this tutorial. I think it is a bit helpful to you, and then I'd like to receive some comments from you regarding to this course that I've wrote. Sorry for using a very long time. Rimwe na rimwe biba byiza ko umuntu akoresha igihe kirekire kugira ngo buri wese agende areba inzira. It is not good to copy paste some codes, but for now I think everyone is aware of this stack using REST. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. See you.